Hey guys, Dean Soleimani here from Sticker City. We got another Tesla Model 3 here, and we're about to do one of our more popular services, which is actually changing the wood color from this wood that you see here to either black or white vinyl. Before we do that, I gotta show you how we actually remove the wood. So let's come on in, let's go look at it. The only tools you'll actually need for this job is some plastic pry bars. First, we're gonna go ahead and remove the side molding, same thing on the passenger side, and then we'll go ahead and pop this out. So let's start off with the driver's side molding. You want a good, nice push because there's 3 clips. Boom, boom. You can see these are the only clips that need to pop out. Go ahead and make this pop. You're gonna hear some pop noises. Don't be scared, nothing's breaking. Just those clips making that noise. And you can see here, they have actually a bigger gap than the driver's side. That's just been the style, so don't worry if you see that. Again, you just hear that pop, poof. See how easily that comes out. Again, 3 clips. And then next, what we wanna move into is go ahead and get the flat panel here. You hear that clip? Boom. We're about to go and show you how to install the vinyl on top of this wood, and we'll show you why we actually had to remove this panel to get it done correctly instead of just doing it on top of here. Now we got the wood dash off of the Tesla Model 3. The next step is to figure out what kind of material we're gonna end up using onto this. So this is standard regular gloss black vinyl wrap, and if you go ahead and put a regular standard vinyl on top of this wood dash, because of its texture, everything shows right through. So what you want to do is get specifically correct material to put on top of this. What we have here is the 3M Dynoc. The advantage of the Dynoc is that it's actually textured and it's thicker, so anything I put on here, you won't see the difference. And the beautiful thing about this material is it's a lot thicker. The Dynoc option offers multiple different varieties. One is this leather, the other is the black and matte black and gloss black option. And you have the black leather or other carbon fiber options that are available for you to choose from. But here, what we're gonna end up doing is the black leather. Let us show you the process step by step on how it's done.
Hello, my name is Mario here at Sticker City, and we're about to install this wood dash for my Model 3. First, we gotta clean it real well with alcohol. We need to patch this portion right here first. If we don't, the only other way to install this is to do a big stretch right here. But if you do a big stretch right here, it's gonna start peeling off in time. And this wood panel, the sun hits it real bad. Okay, and then we put a little promoter here. A little adhesive promoter, because this wood panel is very tough for the vinyl to stick. Okay, now we're gonna use this cutting tape. This is it's actually called knifeless tape, and it's a design line called design line. We mainly use this not to scratch the wood, because we need to cut here, but this cutting tape should do the trick. So this material is very thick, you can tell. Doesn't move that well. We're gonna heat the material so it's stretchable. It's a little hot. Bam, that's how you do it. Alright guys, now we're gonna use this type of cutting tape. This is knifeless. This is a little thicker because we're gonna need a little bit more here to tuck it in.
Sticker City, keeping your cars looking pretty and brand new. Sticker City, for your Teslas, Porsches, Ferraris, they got you. Teslas, Porsches, Ferraris, they got you. Protect and restyle, protect and restyle. Yeah, we know how, yeah, we know how to transform your ride, transform your ride. So you can be proud, so you can be proud. Sticker City, keeping your cars looking pretty and brand new. Sticker City, for your Teslas, Porsches, Ferraris, they got you. StickerCity.com, StickerCity.com, StickerCity.com.
All right, looks like Mario did an amazing job on finishing this. You can see the final finish of this. Looks quite gorgeous. And then one of the beautiful thing is you don't really see the seam line if done properly, as you do here. All right, now we're ready to take this and put it back on the car. Let's go. All right, now we're back in the car. We're gonna show you how to go ahead and put this back in. Realistically, you just gotta line up all the clips and boom, boom, ready to go. So this is a lot easier if you have two people, one person holding this side, the other on this side, just to align it. And then you could just push it in. I think that's it. Yeah, there you go. You should, when you clamp it, you should be able to hear the clips pop back in, and that's when you know you're pretty much done. Just line that up. And all right, guys, that's the finished product right here. Let us know what you guys thought. Was it handy to you? If there's anything else you want to see us wrap, let me know. Comment below, give us a like, subscribe. We'd love new ideas or new things that you guys want to watch, and we'd love to support you on that. All right, guys, talk to you soon. See you in the next one.
Yeah, high-end car paint protection, you need all of that. Protect from paint and rock chips so you don't get a scratch. Sticker City, yeah, even restyling vinyl wraps. Teslas to Ferraris, even Porsches, now your car looking gorgeous. Yeah, yeah, restyle it like you want, make it look how you feel. Sticker City, they got you, give your car that appeal. People stop and they watch while you rolling through the town. Time to check, StickerCity.com, let's go. My car's looking fly, they can't keep up with me. They ask where I got it.